You're listening to Startup Stories on Good Morning Delhi with Sartak.
And what we're trying to do is trying to see if we can get you to appreciate the fact that there are some people who think that their ideas are good enough to take that leap. The leap that we call the leap of faith, because my inner pseudo always loves English literary allusions. And today, of course, we're talking about food, but not just any kind of food. This is a very specific kind of food that caters to health, that caters to women. And the person who thought this up is with us. Richa is the founder of Because Foods. That's BCOS. And because she's here, we must ask her questions. Thank you very much for being here, Richa.
Thank you, Sarthak. It's lovely to be here.
So, batao, what is the scene? I mean, how did this whole idea start? Tell us a little about Because Foods. And I'm sure you've got these fancy little definitions for what you do and all, right?
Yeah, so first of all, because the name is something that I want to tell everyone that because you matter, especially the women around.
Of course.
So, journey is ki by degree, I'm an engineer. So I was working in Qualcomm. I was designing chipsets, Snapdragon, everything. But then there is something that was always there in my head. That was PCOS. That is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. So PCOS मुझे diagnose हुआ था आज से 12 साल पहले. And it's been with me throughout. I have seen all the downs and little bit of ups with PCOS. So my journey started because when I was working with Qualcomm, I realized that my health was it was getting all bad and my blood reports were really bad, and I could see that I was reaching into diabetes. And that's when I realized that I need to do something for my PCOS, and I started learning about nutrition, how nutrition helps.
Right.
Then one fine day, I just resigned from my job and I just took a break of 3-4 months. And I told everyone in my family कि मुझसे कुछ मत पूछना कि आगे का plan क्या है. I'm just on a break.
Right.
During this break, I realized that nutrition helped me a lot, and I could see my blood reports getting better. That's how Because Foods was born, and the idea is pretty simple. I am fixing staples for women around, where our staples are all low on gluten and low on glycemic index.
Right.
And very easy, very hassle-free staples. We have millet flour blends and low glycemic index rice.
Right.
And roti chawal ऐसा है ना कि हम उसके बगैर रह नहीं सकते. At least Indian diet.
Staple diet, बिल्कुल.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes. So that's why I realized कि let's focus on staples.
Sure.
And snacking, junking तो होती रहेगी. But पहले staples fix करते हैं.
Yeah, got to fix the foundation, and
Yes.
the foundation of an idea that makes sure that your basics are taken care of in the nicest way possible. That's what Because Foods is all about. BCOS. If people want to find out more, are you on the internet? Can people find you?
Yes, absolutely. So we have our website. It's called becosefoods.in. becosfoods.in.
Yeah.
We are also selling on Amazon.
Excellent.
Yeah.
We are living in the world of social media, Richa. So it's only proper that we get you to make a little listicle for us. 3 things that you learned being an entrepreneur.
Okay. First one being that you really need to come out of your comfort zone. So as I told you, I was an engineer. So I was an introvert kind, where I used to work in just my silo on my laptop.
Sure.
Comfort zone से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है if you are building something.
Sure.
Second, I would say when you've decided to build a brand or a company, one thing that I've realized is of utmost importance is the passion. During this journey, there would be lots of downs, and probably just a mere one high. But that passion would keep you going for long.
Sure.
Because downs बहुत आते हैं.
For sure.
एक वो पैशन ही है that keeps you going कि नहीं, मैंने ये क्यों सोचा था पिछले 2 साल पहले. Why I decided to start my own brand. Third, I would say build a circle and build a trustworthy circle where you can be vulnerable, where you can share everything that's going inside your head.
Absolutely.
Because trust me, it's not an easy journey.
Absolutely.
It's not an easy journey.
For
It's
sure.
tough. It's really tough. And there are days you would feel you will rejected. आपको रिजेक्शंस मिलेंगे. यू विल कॉल कस्टमर, आपके फ़ोन पे आपके मुंह पे फ़ोन रख देंगे. बट आप बहुत बार गिरोगे, बहुत बार सोचोगे, यू विल क्राई, बट देन यू नीड दैट सपोर्ट सिस्टम, बी इट फैमिली, बी इट फ्रेंड्स, एनीवन. एंड लास्टली आई वुड से कि इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू just have confidence in yourself. That's the
Yes,
last thing I
absolutely.
can say.
You-
And also just a small advice to all the founders who are listening here. So I come from an engineering background where I didn't have any idea regarding the startup ecosystem. So during my initial days, I started something called accelerator programs. So there are a lot of accelerator programs where you can learn about the startup ecosystem and don't be afraid, scared to ask help.
Absolutely.
That's absolutely fine if you're asking for help.
Absolutely. A circle of trust that will understand your failures and confidence in yourself. Acha, there was also this thing about, the exotica of food that is seen as, and I'm making the air quote sign here, radio people can't see, but I'm making the air quote sign here, which is that people say, they thumb their noses saying, "Arey, one more," where they're trying to sell with a story and all of that. Have you had to face that cynicism?
Not really, I would say, because my family was really supportive when I told them about the idea. So my father himself was an entrepreneur in his time.
Right.
So he supported me a lot. Plus my husband is very supported. So I think अगर आपको family का support मिल जाता है ना, तो बाकी कुछ ज़्यादा matter नहीं करता
Of
है.
course,
Because
absolutely.
family is something जो आपके साथ हमेशा constant रहेंगी, right?
Agreed. Absolutely.
बाकी हाँ मतलब.
But
लगता
also the fact that, Richa, we're increasingly living in a world where the standard of food is coming under increasing scrutiny. So how have you taken care of that?
Yeah, so we have taken care of that because we directly deal with farmers.
Right.
And we make sure, like, we have all the certificates where our products are organic, natural, no preservative. And I'm directly working with farmers.
Right.
So there is no middleman for us. And I know आजकल there is a lot of inspection, FSSAI is very strict, considering कि अभी हमें recently MDH और हमने
Absolutely.
सुना
There's
अभी.
been lots and
Yes.
lots of...
And I
yeah.
would say people are also more aware now कि at least पहले लोग पलट के देखते नहीं थे कि ingredients क्या हैं. But
Absolutely.
now everyone does that. कि मेरे पेट में क्या जा
There's
रहा
a
है.
lot of awareness about what
Yes.
the ingredients are.
Yes,
People
yes.
know that, that we're being increasingly told that if there's more than 3 ingredients that you don't understand or sound too scientific,
Yes,
it's
yes.
probably full of preservatives, so you need to be a
Yes.
little careful.
So that's something that we are taking care of from day one. So we don't use any emulsifier, any stabilizer. So I know personally a lot of brands जिसमें they add a lot of xanthan gum or something to help the help bind the flour.
Yeah.
We don't use anything. It's all natural, preservative free, all organic. So customers can trust us
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
once they buy Because Foods, so
A circle of trust that will understand your failures and confidence in yourself. 2 things that we'd certainly like to underline, and the fact that Because Foods is something that you might want to try out. bcosfoods.in is where you go to find out what it's all about. Richa, this has been absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much for being so generous with sharing your experiences. Much gratitude for that.
thank you so much, Sarthak.
And that's Startup Stories. There's more music coming after a short little break, so stay, okay?
94.3 Radio 1.